Jamaica, what do you say? Can we change the national motto to out of one, many people? Tell me what you think down below in the comments. Subscribe now. Stay up with me with this conversation. I want everybody's opinion, from the lower class to the higher class to the 1% to the 99%. Because listen, humanity's unity is not a fixed end point, but it's more of a dynamic, ongoing journey. Would you agree? Out of one, many people. Out of one, many people. This invites us to embrace our differences, I believe, as expressive beings of a shared source, an undeniable fact, encouraging continuous growth, understanding, and self-awareness. Listen, as we face new challenges and opportunities in the land we love, this motto, I believe from my heart, it inspires us to build a nation that honors diversity while recognizing the unity that underpins it. That underpins it. Stuck at unity. We can't escape it. It's one that is open, awake, and ready for the future. It's who we have always been, who we already are. It's not a destination to strive for. Changing our motto to out of one, many people, it's about truth, it's about awakening. And it's about the next chapter in Jamaica's history, I believe, in Jamaica's story. It's a bold statement of who we are and who we aspire to become. So let's embrace this new vision with pride, with clarity, with unity of purpose. Leave a comment down below showing your support for the change of the national motto in Jamaica. Out of one, many people. We started united from one God, from one source, from one higher power. Whatever you call him, you know the Creator is responsible for all of this.